Hi friends, this is the Untitled Monk and today we are with the Fire TV Stick 4K by Amazon, and what it does, it makes your normal TV into a smart TV. It converts that. It has a support of apps like Firefox, Netflix, Wood, Sony Live, Z5, Prime Video, Jio Cinema, Ghana TV, Sun Next, Heroes, Old Balaji TVF, NDTV and much more. There is a Alexa support, 4K support, HDR support, Dolby Vision support. It also has a quad core inside it. It comes with the Wi-Fi support at the same time. The price of the device is 5,999. It is going to be available on Amazon, and the connectivity will be through the HDMI port, similar what we have seen earlier. And here is also the Alexa support in the device, which is a great thing. We will talk about this in later. We will check it out what comes inside the box. And here you can see there is a user manual, and you can go through it, read it down if you are first time installer. There is also SDM certification here, you can check that also. And there is this is the main Fire Stick which is usable for you. It is little bit bigger than what we have seen the earlier one. This supports the 4K. Last time that was not supporting the 4K. This is the remote. This is a completely brand new remote because they have given the Alexa support in this. There is also a volume turn down and volume up button. These are the buttons what are present in this remote, and it will also support in the previous generation. We will talk about this later. Talking about the charger, there is a charger. There is two AAA batteries, and you have to put that in remote so that your remote works easily. Now talking about the AAA batteries, it is very easy to install in the remote, and the weight of the remote not feels heavier, and it looks pretty much similar what we have seen earlier. And there is also a cable. This is a power cable which will be plugged into the charger, and another part will be with the Fire Stick. There is a HDMI expandable cable, so here you can put your HDMI and put it expandable with the TV at the same time. It is easy to install, and there is also adapter cable. This is a micro USB cable slot, so here you can plug it on and this will go into the power slot. Now you can install it into the TV. It is very easy, as you can see here, and I have the two HDMI ports on the side and the two HDMI ports at the back, so it depends on your TV where is the port. Here you can see on the left there is a HDMI port, and at the same time I have to change the plugin into HDMI mode. There is the remote, and this is how you will, once you plug in, it will ask you to choose the language, and the language will be English India. Here it will ask for the Wi-Fi and give the Wi-Fi password so that it will download the latest software what is available for the Fire TV. It will try to reboot, it will install the software at the same time. Now what is the difference between the previous generation and this generation? This generation definitely has the 4K. The Fire Stick is little bit bigger. It has a better processor. It is coming the quad core. Earlier it was a dual core processor, and there is a RAM increase also, so the working is little bit faster. Now here you can see the updates is being done. Now it will ask you to put the Amazon account, the details of it. Once you have gone through with all the process, it will be successfully registered, and then after that it will ask you to set up the remote. It will take some few times for setting up the remote, so all this process is only the first time. Once you are installing, it will ask you that the remote volume voice is working or not. So the volume buttons, volume up and down, are in the below side. You can check it out, and this is what you are getting. The app support is very large this time. Amazon is constantly working on that. So here you can see how the demo will work, and these are the features what it is showing automatically. So I am not doing anything at the moment right now. The power button, volume knocker keys, there is a mute button. There is also a mic button. This time the mic will work with the Alexa at the same time. You can find the comedy movies, you can find the genre, you can ask them to play it directly, and you can pair it with your Echo devices. It works very smoothly. It also helps you to search anything. It helps you to play anything in the movie section, play in the music section. You can ask the question in the video format, which is very easy. Like you can ask what is the weather, and it will tell you at the same time what is the weather. It will show you a display which is a very interactive manner using the Alexa. So this is what we are getting in the Fire TV. Now talking about the app support, definitely you can select the apps. I'm going through the apps one more time so that you can check it out what apps are given and you can pre-install it. It has a Firefox, Netflix, Voot, Sony Live, Z5, Prime Video, Jio Cinema, there is Ghana, Sun Next TV, Eros Now, Alt Balaji, TBF, NDTV, Hoi Choi. There is also a Wood Kids app, Hangama Play. There is a Chota Bheem app and there is a TED app. These are the apps what are coming. And here you can see the layout is similar what we have seen earlier. That there is nothing changed, but it looks pretty much faster. Here you can see I'm just scrolling up and down. It goes very fast and it is definitely user friendly. It is not being changed what was earlier also, just it became a little faster, step of upgrade there. And the new remote is also available to purchase for the old users who are using the old Fire Stick. So the remote is costing for 1,999. This will the cost it will on Amazon, including the GST. If you are going to exclude the GST, it will be around 1,600 something. Talking about the old Fire Stick, it was coming for 3,999. The new Fire Stick is priced for 5,999. So this is how it will go. Right now I have tried and tested searching the Salman Khan movies and it came out well. There is only one problem, it searches only the Amazon Prime Video. It will not search under the Netflix or Airtel movies or the Ghana. So it will not go inside the other apps. It will just find out the apps which is available, which is the Amazon Prime Video or the Amazon Prime Music. These are the apps what it will check it out. But overall, this is what we are getting. Talking about the YouTube. The YouTube is one of the primary app. Without it, the video consumption will be something that will missing. So there's a little bit conflict with Amazon and Google. So the YouTube app is directly not available, but you can go through the Firefox and you can give your ID and password. So via third party kind of thing, you can go and visit the YouTube. It is very easy. There is nothing on that. The settings menu have been changed. There is also few things you have to note it down, that the device supports the Alexa, which is one of the most important, and Alexa will give you the voice control support to the Fire TV or to your TV directly. It will the remote will also have the control of putting on the volume for the TV or the Fire TV directly. You can play it around and you can change them at the same time. So the settings are very easy. Talking about the device, we have covered all the three things: the content, the installation and the demo. The old Fire Stick will be still available for 3,999. The new one will be coming for 5,999, which comes with the 4K HDR support. This is all we are getting in the Fire TV Stick 4K. If you have comments, please drop down below. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.